Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to put your Cash App QR code on a flyer. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to need the Cash App application. So if you do not already have an application, you want to go to the App Store to download it, so you can go ahead and open up the App Store. After opening it up, it's going to look like this, where we can go ahead and open up the search option. So by opening up the search option, now you can use the search bar at the top of the screen, search for Cash App and find the application that you're then going to download. Once you have downloaded the application guys, you'll be able to open it up and log into your account normally. So you can either log in using your phone number or your login details, whichever option you prefer. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find your cash balance, all your info such as your saving options and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, if you want to print your Cash App code so you'll be able to go ahead and send it to anybody and print on flyers, what we have to do is go right here into the upper right corner. As you can see in the upper right corner, we're going to have this profile icon and the circle. This is going to be our profile picture that you can go ahead and access, and from there we will be able to access our QR code. So click on your profile picture in the upper right corner, and this is going to open up a new menu where in the upper right corner is now going to appear a new button. That button is going to be your QR code. So click the button in the upper right corner that appears. This is going to open up your QR code. From there guys, you can go ahead and share it. You can save it as an image, you can share it to whoever you want, doesn't matter. You can save it as an image in your phone. After that guys, you can go ahead and get started printing that image wherever you want, and you can get started pasting your flyers wherever you want, and people will be able to scan that code to pay you in Cash App, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.